The Zone of Silence, Mexico's enigmatic region of silence. In the heart of Mexico's Chihuahua Desert lies one of Earth's most mysterious and perplexing locations, La Zona del Silencio, known globally as the Zone of Silence. Situated approximately 400 miles south of El Paso, Texas, near the convergence of the Mexican states of Durango, Chihuahua, and Coahuila, this enigmatic expanse has fascinated scientists, paranormal researchers, and adventurers alike. Characterized by its curious anomaly, radio waves and electronic communications inexplicably cease or become distorted, the Zone of Silence has sparked intense speculation, rigorous scientific inquiry, and captivating mythologies, historical discovery, and recognition. The Zone of Silence first captured widespread attention in the 1930s when a Mexican pilot, Francisco Sarabia, flying over the area, noticed disruptions to his aircraft's radio system. However, the region truly became internationally known following an unusual incident in July 1970, when the U.S. military's Athena test missile lost control and veered off its projected course, unexpectedly plunging into the Zone of Silence. This incident triggered extensive efforts by American authorities and Mexican officials, bringing international attention to the area's puzzling electromagnetic irregularities. Characteristics of the Zone of Silence. The defining feature of the Zone of Silence is its apparent distortion and attenuation of electromagnetic signals. Radio transmissions and compasses are frequently unreliable, causing substantial navigational confusion. Satellite signals may become unstable or temporarily vanish. Cellular communications falter, and standard radio frequencies dissipate without explanation. Though skeptics dispute the magnitude of these disturbances, numerous scientific expeditions, including several Mexican research groups and international observers, have repeatedly documented and verified these phenomena. In addition to signal anomalies, the region is rich with meteorite fragments and displays increased extraterrestrial debris, hinting at potentially unusual geophysical or cosmological processes. Notably, the Zone of Silence aligns geographically with other enigmatic areas on Earth, such as Egypt's Great Pyramids and the Bermuda Triangle, further fueling speculative theories regarding Earth's magnetic or gravitational fields. Geophysical and scientific explanations. Researchers who favor scientific rationalism attempt to explain the zone's strange characteristics through geology and Earth's magnetic properties. The region contains significant iron ore deposits and large quantities of magnetite, minerals renowned for their magnetic capabilities, which can potentially alter electromagnetic fields. Geologists propose that a substantial subterranean iron and magnetite layer beneath the Chihuahua Desert might create magnetic anomalies potent enough to disrupt conventional radio signals and compass navigation. Additionally, solar radiation interaction and natural ionization processes have been considered as potential amplifiers of signal interference. Nevertheless, despite extensive scientific surveys, no universally accepted explanation conclusively accounts for the area's full range of anomalous behaviors. Thus, a sense of scientific ambiguity remains, providing fertile ground for imagination and speculative conjectures. Mythologies, mysticism, and extraterrestrial theories. The unresolved mysteries of the Zone of Silence attract considerable fascination from ufologists, esoteric thinkers, and paranormal enthusiasts who suggest that the region could represent a kind of cosmic energy node or portal to alternative dimensions or extraterrestrial civilizations. Anecdotes from local inhabitants and visitors recount sightings of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, unexplained lights, and mysterious entities or Nordic-like humanoids purportedly guiding lost travelers safely back to familiar trails. Mexican folklore and local oral traditions contribute richly to the mythology surrounding this place, enhancing its enigmatic appeal. Native legends speak of the region as sacred ground, imbued with mystical forces, a place where energies converge and nature itself seems peculiarly powerful and silent. Ecological significance and biodiversity. Beyond magnetic mysteries and extraterrestrial conjecture, the zone of silence is ecologically distinctive. Its remote desert ecosystem sustains a remarkable diversity of life forms adapted uniquely to arid conditions. Botanists and ecologists frequently study rare desert flora and fauna thriving in this undisturbed habitat, viewing it as an invaluable natural laboratory for ecological and biological research. Conservationists emphasize its importance as a protected biosphere reserve, underscoring the delicate balance between curiosity-driven exploration and ecological preservation. Societal and cultural impacts. The zone's enigmatic nature significantly influences the local economy, culture, and tourism. Curiosity-driven visitors flock to the region annually, drawn by its mystery, folklore, and beauty. Local communities have gradually adapted, creating niche tourism markets and sharing oral traditions about the area's supernatural heritage. Yet, authorities strive to balance ecological preservation and scientific exploration with the influx of tourists and amateur investigators eager to witness firsthand the zone's elusive electromagnetic phenomena. Philosophical reflections and human curiosity. At its philosophical core, the zone of silence embodies humanity's enduring fascination with mystery and the unknown. Its enigmatic silence evokes deeper contemplation of humanity's relationship with technology, nature, and cosmic forces. The inability of modern science to thoroughly unravel its mysteries speaks profoundly to the humility required in our scientific pursuit of understanding the universe. It reminds us that, despite technological advancement and analytical prowess, humanity continues to confront phenomena that elude complete rational comprehension. Conclusion: continuing mystery and human inquiry. Ultimately, the zone of silence persists as a captivating paradox, a place where our carefully constructed technologies and expectations unravel, revealing the boundaries of scientific knowledge. Whether explained through geological science, extraterrestrial theories, spiritual mysticism, or ecological uniqueness, the region underscores an inherent human quest to confront and understand the unknown, to explore beyond conventional boundaries, and to remain open-minded to infinite possibilities. In this way, the zone of silence stands not merely as a geographical curiosity, but as a symbolic testament to humanity's timeless wonder, curiosity, and humility. An enigmatic silence beckoning exploration and introspection in equal measure.